Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix. Today we are going to discuss what is linear differential equation and the procedure to solve the linear differential equation and some example problems and key points to remember. The definition: a differential equation is called linear if each term in the equation, including derivatives, is linear in terms of the dependent variable. The meaning is the dependent variable y has degree 1 and the first order derivative of the dependent variable dy by dx appears are of degree 1 and they are not multiplied together. So a differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where this p of x and q of x are constants or functions of x, is called first order linear differential equation in y. Now we'll see how to solve this equation. Now first identify p of x and q of x. After form the first order linear differential equation. First we have to form the first order linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, and next identify this p of x and q of x. Next find the integrating factor equal to e power integral p of x dx. Next multiply both sides of the equation by integrating factor. Then the left side becomes d by dx of integrating factor into y. So integrating both sides to obtain the solution, y into integrating factor equals integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So this is the general solution. Y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c, where this integrating factor is calculated by e power integral p of x dx. The first example: solve dy by dx plus 3y by x equal to sin x by x cube. Next, and here this first equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Observe that RHS left with function of x only. So this is the form 1. So here p of x is coefficient of y, which is 3 by x, and q of x is the RHS term, sin x by x cube. Next we calculate the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx, and this is e power integral 3 by x dx. Now integration of 3 by x is 3 log x, and n log m is log m power n. So 3 log x can be written as log x cube, and e power log x is x, so is equal to x cube. Now write the general solution formula: y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now our integrating factor is x cube, so y into integrating factor, which is x cube, equal to integral q sin x by x cube into integrating factor dx plus c. X cube by x cube 1, so x cube y equal to integral sin x dx plus c. So integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So our solution is x cube y equal to minus cos x plus c. Now solve for y, so dividing with x cube, so we'll get y equal to minus cos x plus c by x cube. So this is the final answer. Example 2. Now so dy by dx plus 4x by 1 plus x square into y equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole cube. Same thing, this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where this p of x equal to 4x by 1 plus x square and q of x is 1 by 1 plus x square whole cube. Now calculate the integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p of x dx, and this is e power integral 4x by 1 plus x square dx. Now use the substitution. So actually this is See the denominator is 1 plus x square, and differentiation of denominator, differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x, but the numerator is 4x, so we write 2 into 2x. So 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square. So now use the formula integral f dash of x by f of x equal to log of f of x. So this becomes 2 into log of the denominator, so 2 times log of 1 plus x square. Now n log m is log m power n, so we write 2 log of 1 plus x square is log of 1 plus x square whole square. Now e power log x is x, so this is 1 plus x square whole square. Apply the general solution formula, y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now cancelling 1 plus x square whole square from numerator and denominator, we got 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square, which is tan inverse x plus c. Now solve for y equal to tan inverse x plus c by 1 plus x square whole square. Now this is also same method. So solve for 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to x by 1 plus x square. Same thing we rewrite in the standard form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. So that means, so we divide 1 plus x square on both sides to get the standard form. So like this. Now identify p of x and q of x. P of x equal to 2x by 1 plus x square and q of x equal to x by 1 plus x square whole square. Now calculate the integrating factor. Integrating factor equals e power integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Same thing, this is of the form integral, since denominator is 1 plus x square, differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. So this is of the form integral f dash of x by f of x dx, which is log of f of x. That means log of the denominator. So e power log of 1 plus x square, which equal to 1 plus x square. Now apply the general solution formula. Y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square equal to integral q. Q is x by 1 plus x square whole square into integrating factor dx plus c. So now cancel 1 plus x square from numerator and denominator. We will get x by 1 plus x square dx plus. So same thing. So the denominator is 1 plus x square, right? Differentiation of 1 plus x square, 2x. Same thing, we will apply that formula of integral f dash of x by f of x by multiplying both by numerator and denominator by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square. So this is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus c. So this is the final answer. Now this is the example considering with logarithmic function. Solve dy by dx plus y by x log x equal to 2x. Now identify the form. This is in standard linear equation form, dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Now identify p of x and q of x, where this p of x equal to 1 by x log x, q of x equal to 2x. Now integrating factor is e power integral 1 by x log x dx. Now I can write this as integral 1 by x log x is integral 1 by x by log x, so that it takes the form f dash of x by f of x dx, which is log of the denominator, log of log x. So e power log of log x, or you can use the substitution form, right? So this is e power log of log x, this equal to log x. Apply the solution formula. So y into integrating factor log x equal to integral q is 2x into integrating factor dx plus c. Same thing, because this integrand is product of two functions, which is algebraic x 2x and the logarithmic function log x. Now we will apply the integration by parts. So by integration by parts, we take according to Eilert. So first we will take u equal to log x, the first function, and dv equal to 2x dx, and du equal to, means du by dx, differentiate u with respect to x, so du by dx equal to 1 by x, so d equal to 1 by x dx. So dv equal to 2x dx, that means v equal to x square. So we are using that formula, integral uv dx equal to uv, right, uv minus integral v du, uv minus integral v du, v is x square, du means 1 by x dx. Now x will be cancelled, integral x dx. So uv is x square log x minus integration of x, which is x square by 2. So y log x equal to x square log x minus x square by 2 plus c. Solvable for y equal to x square minus x square by 2 log x plus c by log x. Thank you.